So, this is my last full day in Toronto, and I'm looking, we're at a food truck festival. I'm gonna show you the stuff that I see. I'm trying to see what to get. Poutine. I don't know what none of that is. That's Nutella. SWAT sandwiches with a twist. A pulled wiener. Angus beef. Pulled pork sound good. I don't like coleslaw. Funnel cakes. I really already know what I want. God dang, that's a huge dog. He look like Scooby-Doo. This chicken roll smell good. Look how big he is. She is. She's Scooby-Doo. Mac and cheese bites. Churros, nachos, fish tacos. I don't like when people be in my way, y'all. I don't know what that is. I love chicken parmesan sandwiches, but I'ma just make me one at home. Mac and cheese balls, fish tacos, truck burgers, chimneys, churros. I'm getting me some churros later. I'm definitely gonna need some churros. Okay, let me see what else over here. I should have brought me a water from home. We're gonna go this way and then I'm gonna go back around. A cornmeal sandwich, pulled pork. They pulled pork too high for these. Cheese steak and fries. Okay, we're going back this way. Fried chicken sandwiches, popcorn chicken. A double bacon curd burger. 2 juice. Oh, I'm gonna say 2 pieces of bacon. Okay, we really finna go back to where I just came from, and we gonna eat what I want to eat. But we're going to the smoked poutineery. Oh Jesus, onion rings, corn dogs, real dog. Oh, corn. That corn, girl, I don't need no more corn. The Hog Father. Isn't that funny? Okay, I'm finna get this poutine. Whatever. That was $12?
No, 12 was, I don't know. About.
That's gonna fill you up for $12?
No, I got it for us to try.
I was finna say.
What else you see?
There's a lot of stuff out there. They got something called the Hog Father. I saw. I can't explain. It looks.
So what did she say poutine was? Just gravy on top of french fries and some cheese.
Can I get a fry?
Push the button.
It's good.
That's it, that's it.
I feel pretty happy now. I got this beer bag, but I don't want to. Still don't want to try it. That's right.
It is good.
So what's this white stuff right here?
Cheese.
Oh. So it's not melted and stuff.
It's a cheese curd. Smoking hot down at the bottom.
It's busting. I saw a lot of different stuff. They had bush tacos. They had a lot of southern food. Their southern food actually cheap. They had a lot of southern food. That place over there is called the Hog Father. I thought that was the cutest name ever. The Hog Father. It's behind. You can't see it yet, but it's right there in the black. It say D at the top. It say the Hog Father. Oh, that's the Skyline. They got a Gotham burger? Okay, Gotham. They had the same stuff. Wait, I didn't hear that. Where is it at? How much is it? Triple treat.
Sick of that.
What?
If we Reese's peanut butter cup. Whoa, it is hot up there.
Yeah, that's cheese and pepper.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
It's good.
Napkin rubber.
It's busting.
Yeah. We'll be fine. We probably get some another stand.
Yeah, we gonna have to keep going.
Yeah, cheese and pepper now.
I ain't seen much that
Did you want to try? What they corn? You gonna like? Do you have the?
that's good though. But if it's $12, that's too high.
The pulled pork one is good too. Pulled pork.
That's busting. That's chicken back around. It's good. It's a churro ice cream cone. It's a churro ice cream cone. We're finna get it. I'm sweating my tiny off. And I got allergies. I'm allergic to some bullshit around me. I gotta go get me some water. I ate some corn, another corn. I just been eating everything. But I'm currently dying. I want the chocolate and the caramel. Woo! Tear it up. It smells good. Ooh, plastic.
Keep it closed.
And I need you.
Right. Or you believe it.
I come here just to look at stuff. Every time I have to come to this section because this is my section. I have to look at everything. This is pretty. I woke up like this. OMG. Be brave, be bold, and be kind. People need to let me decorate their house because I could kill the game, which I don't know. OMG, I need this in my room. Mine was broken. I really needed a gold one. I haven't found one. My zipper, yet again, has unzipped. Let's come to this side. Ain't nothing I need over here. I don't need anything, but I just like the look. I don't know why I came over here. Ain't nothing over here for me. These pillows are beautiful. My next room gonna be nude and pink. It's gonna be like that pink. Pink and nude-ish. And I'm gonna have some nude pillows like that one. And it's gonna be cute. Okay.
Ready to roll?
Yeah, that's a nice dish.
Get Lexus out here before she thinks people feel the duffel bag. Like, no.
I already filled the duffel bag. It gotta have 16 pounds worth of clothes in it. Well, you guys, I'm gonna show you more things, but right now, I had to get a duffel bag, like, you know, to carry my extra shit, which I really technically don't need, but I mean, I could take it back. But I technically could have put my stuff in my bags because it fit when I got here. But I didn't have a scale to make sure my shoe was proper. So my bag was like 16 pounds overweight. So I need to put 16 pounds into this duffel bag. So I bought this duffel bag. I can just take it back, you know, after I use it, or I can keep it. I'll probably just keep it because it's kind of cute. It's cuter than my other duffel bag. It's an Adidas one. But I'm walking to the car to put it in the car. I'm praying I parked down here. Nah, I parked down a weird street. My freaking zipper keeps unzipping. But I just wanted to take the time out to add this to the videos. And I just had a great experience in Chicago, minus how bad my intern was. And it really wasn't that bad as I probably made it seem. Like it was, but I shouldn't have been stressing over it as much as I was, because I still got it done. Even though I felt like I wasn't. I stressed through the whole thing, but bottom line is it was overall a good experience. I really didn't have to do as much work as I thought I did. Why I'm feeling like I'm not supposed to go up this street. I'm not gonna be walking down no alley. Oh, I remember. This is the street I'm supposed to be on. But I just wanted to take this time to thank God and my aunt for just having such a great experience. You know, this Toronto experience was like amazing. It was amazing. Like, I just love Toronto. I just think it's a beautiful ass city. I literally would come every year. Like, this would be my second home. And I thought Chicago would be my second home. But this would be like my second home. Like, it's just beautiful. I just think it's beautiful. Like, Chicago has nicer, I can say nicer, like, architecture when it comes to their buildings. Like, kind of the buildings here all look, not that they all look the same, but they kind of all look the same. Like, Chicago, you'll just be seeing some stuff that's just different. Like, you'll never see a building like this ever. Like, whoever designed it, it's beautiful. But here, I've actually only been mostly downtown and around downtown. I don't think the Blue Jays Stadium is considered downtown though, but it is kind of close, because it is not really downtown, because I think I've been staying downtown, and the little needle thing, whatever, it's not really downtown. I don't think. The Blue Jays Stadium, and I don't think that's really downtown. But yeah, so basically I'm just glad that I got to come here. She told me I wouldn't have to pay for anything for my food, and that's basically what I paid for, but less. Like, I took out $100 Canadian and that's all I spent here, which is really like $95 US. 90, maybe not even that much, really like 93. That's all I spent. I just paid the park here for this duffel bag, and that was like 40 bucks. That was like 40 bucks American dollars, and I can still take this duffel bag back. But Yeah, overall my experience was great. I'm so glad that she brought me on this trip. Well, she allowed me to come with her on this trip, because I really did. Look at this. I don't understand what's going on with my outfit. Hold on, let me put this in the car. I want to see what we're riding in. Big body. They said when we came here, most people don't drive trucks, only farmers drive trucks. And we was like, damn, only the farmers drive trucks? Never heard that before. But it makes sense. We barely see anybody with trucks, and you really can't park anywhere with a truck. Here, you can't fit anywhere. And it's hard to find parking space outside. But back to my story. I love Toronto. I think it's so beautiful. It's a beautiful city. It's just, look, everything is beautiful. Like, everything is beautiful. At least downtown it is. We were in a different spot earlier by the food truck festival, and it wasn't so, you know, this, but this is like in a freaking 20-mile radius. It's pretty nice. 20 kilometers. But yeah, it smells wonderful. The food downtown is actually cheap. The food is cheap in Canadian dollars, which is even cheaper in American dollars. The food is cheap, like a lot cheaper than what I was seeing in Chicago. Like, sorry, they always work, you know, and are busy, so they don't always have time to hang out or enough money to hang out, because they have bigger and better things they have to pay for, and they can't always vacation. So I've been really dying to go on vacation. Haven't been this is literally my first vacation since like my dad passed away. Like my first real vacation. I think I did go to Panama once, but I was young. I wasn't even 18, so I couldn't drink, do anything. So this is my first time actually been able to do something and drink. And I didn't really party and go to, we actually went to one party and we left right when it got like popping. But I was tired of being there too. And we had 2 more parties, but I'm really not a partying type person. And the Caribbeans will party all goddamn day. So yeah, I didn't party any, really. We were supposed to go to a party today and yesterday, but we're not going.
We're going in here for rodeo. Okay. Bye.
So I've been enjoying my time, and they've been great to hang out with, and I'm just thankful that I actually got to go on this trip. And I got to see the world and see Chicago, because a lot of people just don't know. Like in the beginning of my last semester, I had just went through a breakup, and it just made me like really sad. And it just made me, it wasn't the breakup that necessarily made me sad, but it was the feeling of being alone, like really made me sad. And it just made me not care about a lot of things. Like, it made me not care about any of the opportunities that I was gonna have. Even though I knew I was gonna have them, it just made me not care about, it was just at that point, it just made me not care about living. Like being alone just made me not care about, I didn't care that I was getting an intern in Chicago. I didn't care that I was going to Spain in the fall. I didn't care about any of that. I just did not like, I just felt so alone and I just didn't care. But now I'm glad in my experiences. I've like experienced some things I could just say I will remember for the rest of my life. And it just made me want to keep seeing the world. Like, it just made me want to keep seeing the world. And I don't mind being alone, as long as I can see the world. Like, if I could live in Toronto every day, I wouldn't care if I ever used my phone. Like, the city's so beautiful, I'd be willing to come here in 0-degree weather. Like, negative. Oh my God, look at this beautiful ass thing. He's a little lamb. I know. I saw that. I said he looked like a little lamb. He's trying to make him look like a little lamb. Toronto knows what a real fish bowl is, unlike Chicago with their little fish bowls.
So wait, the other one's much smaller?
They was finna charge me this for a small bit. This thing was like $24 for this big.
It was like a tablet margarita.
Yeah, it was a little bit maybe bigger. But I was just like, Chicago, you close. The zipper again. Oh, not on these. must have had the most out of that Long Island.
I was good.
I heard that burp too. You said I was good. Oh, he playing music. What kind of instrument is that? Is he digging in his nose? Or somebody asleep? More on that side. We could walk across to the other side. That is crazy. Yeah. That's nuts.
You do that next time?
I would. I'd probably pee on myself while I do it, but that's crazy. Guys, somebody's actually doing it right now. There's 3 of them. They're the Incredibles of Toronto. Look how high up they are. They're at the tallest, well, one of the tallest buildings. Crazy, 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 crazy. We're leaving Toronto. I'm so sad.
Just looking at how he pitches.
Bye bye Toronto.